Good day everyone, it's me again, your Ahente Next Door, and today we are here at Calamba City, Laguna to give you an update about this project, Agapea Towns in Calamba. So we are here para bigyan kayo ng update, especially dun sa mga client natin na kumuha and kukuha pa lang ng property dito sa Agapea, Calamba. So today is September 13, 2024, and kung natatandaan nyo, nag-post din tayo ng tour before. That was few months ago. Lupa pa lang dito, wala pa to, itong platform na to, and yung model house natin ay hindi pa fully complete. But today, tapos na siya. Meron na rin tayong dressed up unit na pwede nyo ma-visit. And look at this one. Kung that time lupa lang, ngayon, meron na tayong ongoing construction ng mga units. So ito, block 6, 7 onwards. Target na matapos this year. Yes po, ganun kabilis. But then again, of course, there's a lot of things that might happen along the way. So expect natin na kung kukuha kayo this last quarter of 2024, you can move in by second quarter of 2025. Napakabilis para sa project na pre-selling. Marami na tayo dito ng mga tinatayong unit, and that is full blast construction. So makakaasa kayo na on time natin madideliver yung mga unit. So to give you an update on our house construction, here is our aerial view of the subdivision. Nakalatag na yung ating mga road network and sinisimula na rin yung ating batch 1. Kaya makakaasa kayo na mato-turn over siya on time. Dito sa unahan yung ating first entrance, and just a few steps is our model house. And konting tumbling pababa is our amenity area na ongoing na rin yung pag-construct. So majority ng ating batch 1 ay sold out na. Yes po, na-reserve na to ng mga buyers natin starting January to September of 2024. However, we still have few units na available for sale. And kasama rin siya mato-turn over together with the ongoing construction units. Mabilis ang construction, quality ang gawa, and on time ang delivery. Yan ang commitment sa atin ng developer ni Agapea. But of course, hindi tayo pwedeng matapos na hindi ko pinapakita sa inyo yung ating model house. And makita nyo rin yung ating dressed up. Tara! So yung available na model natin dito sa Agapea ay duplex. When we say duplex, dalawang bahay siya na nagsishare sa iisang firewall, while parking space naman on the other side. So check natin tong unit na to. So the lot area of this property is 70 square meters. Yung lote mo sa harap hanggang dito sa white paint. And then on the side, you have your vehicle carport. Yes, kasya yung dalawang sasakyan dito. But of course, kung yung sasakyan mo ay mahaba, like van, high-ace, and such, isa lang yung kasya. medyo buwis buhay yung ating photographer para mabigyan natin kayo ng video. So, maraming salamat. Then again, this is your service area. You can turn this into a dirty kitchen since meron ka pang lote hanggang dito. Yan. Pwede mo itong ipa-enclose in the future para meron kayong privacy inside the property. Check naman natin yung loob. So on the side with an access to your parking space is this sliding glass door. Kasama natin sa turnover, may manok. And then, this is your main entrance. This is your entrance door. This will be your living space. By the way, this property is completely finished upon turnover. That means, yung mga tiles kasama na siya. But then, sa second floor, hindi pa kasama yung ating tiles. Pero meron na siyang bedroom partition. I'm gonna show it to you later. So this is your living area. And this, you can turn this into a storage space. O kaya naman, your entertainment area. Later, I will show you a dressed-up unit. So, alam nyo kung paano siya lagyan ng gamit. You can have an idea of this. And right at the back is your kitchen sink. May kasama ka na ditong sink and your platform. And then on here is your toilet and bath. Yan. Check naman natin yung second floor. Dito sa hagdan, meron tayong steel staircase. And then here on the second floor. So wala tayong tiles on the second floor, pero meron siyang bedroom partition. This is good for 3 bedrooms. That's why you have 1, 2, and 3 na bukas para sa air conditioning. You also have a lot of windows here. These large windows will give you the natural light and of course the ventilation as well. Kasi napakahangin dito sa area. And paano magka-idea kayo kung paano nyo mag-i-lay out? Kasi sa ngayon parang mahirap ko siya imagine na we will show you now the dressed up model. So tara! Next na check natin yung ating dressed up unit para meron kayong idea how will you set up the house in the future. But first, I'm gonna show you this car garage. Yan. So dito, naglagay sila ng mga stone blocks para sa parking mo, and on the side is your lanay. Siyempre, maganda rin kung meron kang additional space in your house na pwede kang tumambay in the future. But of course, kung meron kang dalawang sasakyan, you can use it. O kaya naman palagyan mo ng cover for additional protection from the sun o kaya from the rain. It's up to you how will you use the space in the future. Unas muna tayo kasi bagong ulan. And we'll lock the door. So here is your dressed up unit. On our left is the living area. You can actually copy this one in the future kapag na-turn over na sa new property. And right here is your dining area with this 6-seater table. Pwede mo itong mabili sa Lazada, but if you want quality, go for IKEA. Same as this. I really like this lamps. And at the back is your kitchen space. Pero pwede mo pa rin naman itong ilabas in the future. Kung gusto mo na mas malaki yung space mo dito, pwede mong ilabas yung kitchen sink doon sa likod, since you still have an ample space from your service area. And right under your stairs is this entertainment area. O kaya naman, pwede mo rin itong gawing storage cabinet. It's up to you how will you use it. Puntahan natin yung second floor. Kanina, yung ating hagdan is made of steel. But then here, naglagay sila ng wood planks. Of course, to give it more character and para hindi rin ganun kaingay kapag umaakyat ka. You can copy this one, o kaya naman, pwede rin kayo maglagay dito ng concrete. But this one is better. I really like it. So dito, sa second floor, kung kanina open space lang siya, ngayon meron na siyang 3 bedroom. So una, we'll check this one. Instead of using it as a bedroom, they use it as your home office and your living space here. Family area. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng TV. It's up to you how you use it. But, you can use it as well as a bedroom. Dahil meron din siyang access going to the outside. Uy, ano yun? May natrap pa. Then, right beside it is your second bedroom. Kung meron kayong mga toddlers o kaya mga kids, pwede nyo itong gawin. Makita nyo na spacious siya. But ideally, ang pwede nyo ilagay sa kanya is a double deck bed. Yan. Meron kayong mga teenagers sa bahay, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. But then again, yung partition na ilalagay ni developer dito ay hindi siya concrete. That means, kung gusto nyo na mas malaki yung space, pwede nyo namang tanggalin yung partition. So you can have larger space. And right here, yung ating pinakang master's bedroom. Ito yung may access sa likod. You still have these large windows right here. And hindi ko na slide kasi it's gonna get messy. And as well on this side. Lahat ng room ay mayroong provision for air conditioning. So you don't have to take the hassle in the future na magbutas pa kasi naka-ready na siya. And then right here, naglagay sila ng cabinet, which you can also copy. So if you are interested in this property, pwede nyo kaming i-message on our Facebook page, Ahente Next Door. We are also available in WhatsApp and Viber. Again, this is Joe Armenta, your Ahente Next Door, giving you updates and tips on real estate.